get another day. Umbrellas up, kids cheer. Playing in the rain, no fear. Rain, rain, go away. Kids want to play today with their umbrellas bright, colors shining in the light. Rain, rain, go away. Kids are laughing all the way. Yellow, red, and blue, so fine. Umbrellas making the day shine. Rain, rain, go away. Skipping puddles as they sway with their friends, so much fun. Umbrellas twirling one by one. Rain, rain, go away. Jumping high, come what may. Splashing in the puddles, see. Umbrellas spinning happily. Rain, rain, go away. Sunny skies we hope will stay, but with umbrellas it's okay. Kids will smile and laugh all day. Rain, rain, go away. Let the sun come out to play. Colors bright, kids so gay. Umbrellas dance the rain away. Rain, rain, go away. We'll see you another day with our umbrellas in the air. Kids and rain make quite a pair.
Plays with doctor toys, smiles and laughs so full of joys. Takes the stethoscope, checks a doll. Baby's doctor helping all. Baby wears a doctor's hat, tells the teddy you're not fat. Checks the heartbeat, feels so proud. Baby's doctor says it loud. Baby gives a teddy shot, so great. Baby's doctor never late. Baby wraps the teddy's arm, keeps it safe from any harm. Sings a song, a happy tune. Baby's doctor afternoon. Baby counts the teddy's toes, wiggles them and then it shows. Healthy teddy feels so fine. Baby's doctor anytime. Baby packs the doctor kit, says all done, that's it. Hugs the teddy, waves goodbye. Baby's doctor in the sky.
I'm Cindy, now I'm 10 years old. Off to school, brave and bold. In the village, not far away, I learn new things every day. I wake up early with the sun, pack my bag, the day's begun. Mom gives me a hug so tight, then I wave and say goodbye. Down the path and through the gate, I can't wait, I won't be late. Friends are waiting, smiles so bright. Together we'll learn day and night. Reading, writing, math so fun. In our class we're #1. Teachers help and guide us through. Every day there's something new. I'm Cindy, now I'm 10 years old. Off to school, brave and bold. path then through the gate. I can't wait, I won't be late. Friends are waiting, smile so bright. Together we'll learn day and night. Reading, writing, that's so fun. In our class we're number one. Teachers help and guide us through. Every day there's something new. At lunchtime we sit and share sandwiches and fruits with care. We laugh and talk, then run and play, making memories every day. The bell rings loud, it's time to go back to the farm I love so. With books and knowledge home I run, excited to share what I've done. Mom and Dad, they smile with pride as I tell my tales side by side. Every day at school's a gift, helping my dreams take flight and lift. So here I am, singing 10 years old. School in the village, stories told. Learning, growing with friends so dear. Every day brings joy and cheer. Cindy's got her helmet on, it's time to ride her bike. Down the path and through the fields she pedals with delight. The sun is shining bright and high, the breeze is in her hair. With Max the dog beside her, they're the perfect pair. Ride, Cindy, ride through the fields so wide. Pedal past the big tall trees and let your worries slide. Jump the rocks and dodge the sticks, it's a bumpy game. Ride, Cindy, ride, every day's a new acclaim. There's a fallen log ahead, Cindy has to swerve. With a little bit of skill, she makes a perfect curve. Puddles from the morning rain splash as she goes by, laughing loud and feeling proud under the clear blue sky. Ride, Cindy, ride through the fields so wide. Pedal past the big tall trees and let your worries slide. Jump the rocks and dodge the sticks, it's a bumpy game. Ride, Cindy, ride, every day's a new acclaim. A little hill is up ahead, Cindy starts to climb. Max is barking happily, they're having such a time. Down the other side she zooms, feeling like she'll fly. With every twist and every turn, the fun just multiplies. Through a tunnel made of leaves and past the grazing sheep, Cindy rides with all her might. The path is hers to keep. Over bridges, under trees, the world feels like a race. With every obstacle she meets, she conquers with her grace. Ride, Cindy, ride through the fields so wide. Pedal past the big tall trees and let your worries slide. Jump the rocks and dodge the sticks, it's a bumpy game. Ride, Cindy, ride, every day's a new acclaim. As the sun begins to set and shadows start to grow, Cindy and her faithful Max, they slowly start to slow. Home they head with hearts so light, their adventure done, dreaming of tomorrow's ride and all the endless fun. Ride, Cindy, ride through the fields so wide. Pedal past the big tall trees and let your worries slide. Jump the rocks and dodge the sticks, it's a bumpy game. Ride, Cindy, ride, every day's a new acclaim.